Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 5, birds. So before we start this chapter, tell me what is a bird and what makes it different from the other animals. कि जो bird है वो क्या है और वो कैसे different है other animals से, कैसे different है वो? So birds are the beautiful feathered animals that we see around us. Birds क्या है? Feathered animal that we see around us. They are warm-blooded, two-legged animal. They are having two legs with toothless beak. They are not having any kind of teeth. They are having beaks, wings and feathers. The feet of the birds are called claws. The feet हैं जो bird के, they are called claws. And their bones are lightweight but strong. जो उनकी bones होती हैं वो क्या होती हैं? Lightweight होती हैं but they are strong. Just like human beings, animals, birds are also living things. And if they are living things, they need food. They need food to grow, to stay healthy. Then we all know that birds, they are not having any kind of teeth, na? So how do they eat? How do birds eat? Different birds eat different kind of food. Some birds eat flesh, where some birds eat grain and seeds and the fruits. There are some birds वो क्या eat करते हैं? वो flesh eat करते हैं. And there are some birds who eat grains, seeds and fruits. How do they eat? We know birds do not have any kind of teeth to chew the food. They are not having any kind of teeth, na? Instead of teeth, they are having beaks. उनके पास क्या है? They are having beaks. Birds क्या करते हैं? They either swallow their food as a whole, या तो वो पूरे food को swallow कर लेते हैं. Otherwise, what they do? They break the food into smaller pieces. And how do they break the food? They break the food into smaller pieces with their beaks before swallowing. वो swallow करने से पहले जो food है उसको smaller pieces में break करते हैं with the help of their beaks. Okay, tell me what is a beak? Beak क्या है? Beak of a bird is its body part that is used. वो किस लिए यूज होती है? That is used for eating, grooming and feeding to its young ones. जो उनके young ones हैं उनको feed करने के लिए और eating के लिए. And all the beaks, जो birds की सब beaks हैं वो क्या होती है? Same होती हैं? No. The shape and size of birds beaks डिपेंड करता है. वो किस पे डिपेंड करता है? दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द काइंड ऑफ फूड इट ईट्स. जो वो फूड ईट करते हैं उस पर डिपेंड करता है जो शेप है, साइज किसका? उनकी बीक्स का. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट नाउ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ बीक्स. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, शार्प एंड हुक्ड बीक. स्ट्रॉन्ग, शार्प एंड हुक्ड बीक. जो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड शार्प बीक होती है वो किसकी होती है? Birds, they eat flesh of other animals. They are having sharp pointed beak, just like eagle, vulture, hawk, kite and owls. They are known as birds of prey. What do you mean by birds of prey? वो birds जो क्या करते हैं? flesh eat करते हैं दूसरे animals का. They are called birds of prey. They eat small animals like chicks, mice, frog and snakes. They eat the flesh of other animals, so that's why they are called birds of prey. They are having strong and sharp and hooked beak to tear the flesh of other animals. So here are the examples: eagle, vulture, owl and hawk. They are having sharp, strong and hooked beak to tear the flesh of other animals. So the next is short, hard and pointed beaks, just like sparrow, pigeon, peacock and finch. They are having short, hard and pointing beaks. Why they are having short and pointed beaks? These types of beaks help to pick up the grain and crush it. Crush grains and seeds. These types of beaks help the birds to pick up and crush grains and seeds. They are also known as crushing beaks. Crushing beaks are very short and hard. They are used for crushing grains and seeds to make them soft so that pigeon, peacock, so that they can eat their food easily. Now the next one is strong and curved beaks. The strong and curved beaks of parakeet help it to crack nuts and hard fruits. They are carved from the front. वो क्या होती हैं? You can see here जो parrot है, they are having curved beaks that is carved from the front, which helps a bird in cracking fruits and nuts. वो help करती है bird को so that they can crack the fruits and nuts. And these curved beaks also help them to climb trees. वो climb trees जब वो climb करते हैं उसमें भी tree climbing में भी क्या करती हैं? ये वाली beaks help करती हैं. So the next one is strong and chisel shape beak. This is the chisel shape. This one very sharp. The woodpecker has a strong and chisel beak. This help is to tap and bark the trees and take out the insects. So chisel beaks क्या होती हैं? They are very long, straight and strong beaks. Birds having chiseling beaks, जिन birds की chiseling beaks होती है, they pick the insect from the wood. वो क्या करते हैं? इंसेक्ट पिक करते हैं. कहाँ से पिक करते हैं? ट्रीज में से, वुड में से. एंड वुडपेकर जो है, दे आर हैविंग चिजलिंग बीक्स. So next is broad and short beaks. The broad and short beaks of a swallow is sticky from the inside. This is swallow and its beak is sticky on the inside. We know that many birds which feed on small insect have sticky beaks. जो बहुत सारे birds हैं उनकी क्या होती हैं? जो small insects को eat करते हैं, they are having sticky beaks. Sticky beaks are very small. You can see here. They are very small, broad and strong. And as the name suggests, sticky beaks. Sticky means it is sticky from the inside. वो क्या है? Inside से क्या है? Sticky है. And they help the bird to catch insects. वो क्या करती हैं? Help करती हैं birds को so that they can catch the insect while flying. जब वो क्या कर रहे हैं? Fly कर रहे हैं air में. And swallows जो हैं, they are having sticky beak. वो क्या करते हैं? जब वो एयर में जो है वो फ्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो जो भी इंसेक्ट आता है व्हेन दे आर फ्लाइंग, दे जस्ट ओपन देयर माउथ, दे जस्ट ओपन देयर बीक, और जो वो फ्लाइंग इंसेक्ट है दैट गेट स्टक ऑन देयर बीक, वो उनकी बीक में जो क्या है वो स्टक हो जाता है, मीन्स चिपक जाता है. दैट्स हाउ दे गेट देयर food. Next is long and slender beaks. You can see here a hoopoe bird. Hoopoe bird क्या करता है? Is able to pull out the insect from the holes in the ground. वो क्या करते हैं? If there is any kind of hole in the ground and there are insects present, they just use their beaks to pull out the insects from that hole. And they are, you can see here, they are having very long and slender beaks. Slender means very thin. They are having, hoopoe bird is having very long and slender beaks to pull out the insect from the ground that is present in the hole in the ground. So the next one is broad and flat beaks. So the ducks are having broad and flat beaks. What they do, they just take the muddy water which has small insects and worm. वो क्या करते हैं? वो जो mud और water है जिसमें क्या present है? Insects present हैं या worms present हैं. They just take the muddy water inside their beak. The mud and water flow through the holes. वो क्या कर, mud और water जो है वो उनके holes में से जो है वो drain out हो जाता है. And the insect and the worm दे स्टे और दे ट्रैप इन देयर बीक्स. वो क्या हो जाते हैं? जो इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं वो उनकी बीक्स में क्या हो जाते हैं? ट्रैप हो जाते हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ दे गेट देयर फूड. आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन. जो डक्स होते हैं उनकी जो बीक हैं उनमें क्या होते हैं? होल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. जब वो इंसेक्ट्स को कैच करते हैं या वो अर्थ वर्म्स हैं या फिर वाटर प्लांट्स हैं, जब उन्हें वो ईट करते हैं तो वो मड भी साथ में ले लेते हैं अपनी बीक में. तो वो क्या होता है? जो मड है या वाटर है, जो होल्स प्रेजेंट है उनकी बीक्स में, वहाँ से क्या हो जाते हैं? फ्लो आउट हो जाते हैं थ्रू दी जो टाइनी होल्स है वहाँ से. और जिससे क्या होता है? जो प्लांट्स हैं, इंसेक्ट है, वो उनकी बीक में ही रह जाते हैं. दैट्स हाउ दे गेट देयर फूड. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द बीक्स. डिफरेंट birds are having different beaks. Let's recall it. So the first one we have talked about strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Eagle, vulture, hawks, they are having very sharp beaks to tear the flesh of other animals, and they are known as birds of prey, means they feed on the flesh of other animals. There are some birds who are having short, hard and pointed beaks. They are sparrow, pigeon. And how the beaks help? These beaks help them to break the food, birds to pick up the grains and crush them. Next one is strong and curved beaks. Parrots are having strong and curved beaks. They help them to crack the nuts, and it also help them to climb on the trees. वुडपेकर इज हैविंग चीजल शेप बीक्स, जो क्या है बिल्कुल इस शेप में होती है. दे आर वेरी स्ट्रांग. एंड व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ हैविंग चीजल बीक? सो दैट दे कैन टेक आउट द इंसेक्ट फ्रॉम ट्रीज बार्क. जो ट्री के बार्क्स होते हैं वहां से वो इंसेक्ट्स को कैच कर सके. दे कैन टेक आउट द इंसेक्ट फ्रॉम देयर. ब्रॉड एंड शॉर्ट बीक्स. द swallows आर हैविंग ब्रॉड एंड शॉर्ट बीक्स. देयर बीक इज स्टिकी. स्टिकी है वो इनसाइड से. हाउ? जैसे ही वो फ्लाई करते हैं एयर में, जो भी इंसेक्ट जो है उनके आता है, द इंसेक्ट विच कम्स अक्रॉस देम, दे जस्ट ओपन देयर बीक्स, एंड जो इंसेक्ट है वो उनकी बीक से क्या हो जाता है? स्टक हो जाता है, मीन्स वो चिपक जाता है. दैट्स हाउ दे गेट देयर फूड. Next is long and slender beaks. Hoopoe bird is having long and slender beak. But how they use their beak? They just, if the insect is in the hole of a ground, जो है होल में है, किसके? ग्राउंड के जो है होल में इंसेक्ट प्रेजेंट है. So they just use their beak to pull out the insect from that hole. And ducks are having flat and broad beaks. They are also having holes in their beaks. That how they use their holes? If they catch insect from any muddy water, जो मड जो है वो भी उनकी बीक में चली गई. सो जो उनकी मड है वो क्या होगा? उन होल्स में से दैट जस्ट मड एंड वाटर जो है वो फ्लो आउट हो जाएगा. एंड हाउ दे ट्रैप द इंसेक्ट और वर्म इन देयर बीक्स, और दैट्स हाउ दे गेट देयर फूड. So this was all about the different types of beaks of different birds. What you have to do, you have to read your chapter up to here and try the given exercise which is related to the beaks. And in the next video we will talk about feet and claws of different birds and how they are different.